What's up, guys? Welcome back to Stepfather Records. I'm back again with another tutorial in Amapiano, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this track. So as you can tell, it's not like a fancy track, it's just a simple, straight to the point. Okay, so the first thing that I did was to use a loop. I didn't use make my own drums because I wanted this to be very simple, and I just wanted to get you guys to start making beats instead of you getting worried about which kick I should use, which snare, and yeah. You should just get into music production and get them tracks out there and improve as you go. Okay, so the loop that I use is this one right here. So it's just an Amapiano loop. There are some loops in the Amapiano sample packs. You'll find them there. And for those who are wondering what BPM I'm using, you check it right up here, and it's 115. I wanted to use 114 and 113, but for me it was a little bit slow for the type of Amapiano I wanted, and so I just took it up 115. 115 did the trick for me. So yeah. Then the second thing I did, let's jump into the pattern mode right here, and I started with this guy right here with a so it's found under GMS, under basses. It's a Diablo TE. You can use that one. For me, it's just a drone in the key of D, just straight, nothing changes there, because I remember we're keeping this track very, very simple. Actually, I think I'm gonna call this one beginner Amapiano or something like that. I don't wanna promise a series because I haven't been like present on YouTube for some time, so I don't wanna get you guys hyped up for something that might not happen. But but I'm saying it's a beginner series Amapiano. I'm just saying, come on. It's not gonna hurt me. You guys are gonna help me accountable for this. Then the second thing I did was to make a melody, and for me, melodies, I use Purity. I love Purity when it comes to Amapiano. There are just some presets that are just perfect, man. It just makes your life way easy. So under presets, I went to Bell and Peck. If you have Purity, if you don't have Purity, you can use any other VST, but I use Purity, Bell, and Peck. Then I use the Vibra hand bell. Yeah, I'm saying this for like the 5th time and I'm still getting it wrong. Dang. So this is how it sounds and how it looks. So nothing too complicated. Remember, we're keeping this very simple and straight to the point. And if you actually following me, you realize that your Purity doesn't sound the same as mine. It's because for me, I cut out all the highs using an EQ. I'll show you guys in another video on how I mixed this track. But anyways, for today, we're just composing the track. So from there, I then went on to add the log drums. Ooh, the holy log drum, man. So for the log drum, I have 2 log drums. This is the first one. So when it comes to making melodies with the log drum, I'm just saying, dude, go crazy. I mean, like, there are no rules. As long as it's perfect, it's rhythm, it sounds good to you. As you can tell with this log drum, there's no like that melody where someone can put words. I just went crazy with this. And if you're wondering how I made this part, yes, so what you do is, if you are you come up here, there's a magnet and upside down. Is it upside down or is it up magnet? Yes, there's a magnet up here. You choose quarter step and you come here, you make your, let's say you're using ones like this. Where is this thing now? And you're using one like this, you can simply resize it like that. Then you can just put it, sorry, the thing is too loud. Then you're gonna put it one after the other and just sounds like this. Then you're good to go and just go crazy with it. I mean, like, there are no rules in music, bro. That's one thing I love about music. So log drum, then the next thing I did was to give my log drum a little bit of bass. So I chose a kick, this kick right here, and I just copied the log drum and moved all the notes from where they are to one key, like D5. Just put them all there so that it's a constant. It doesn't bring other melodic sounds that are not necessary. So basically that's what I did there. Then I also added a snare, same thing with the kick, copy the bass, sorry, that's the wrong one, copy the log drum, change the keys, one key. By the way, if you're loving this video and like it, don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing my best to drop a tutorial at least once every week. Right now I'm no longer going to work because Corona did its thing again. So dedicating my time to making efforts to do tutorials for you guys so that we make good music. I love good music, bro. So as I said earlier on, I actually had two log drums. So the first one was that one, and this the second one. It's not too different. I'll just play you the log drum. So that's the log drum, and I went on to do the same process I did for the first one. Put a kick, same key, find a snare, same key. Then where is this one now? What the hell? Okay, but anyways, it's somewhere there. Oh yeah, there we go. Then I also went on to add another hi-hat for the same reason. Why is it disappearing like that? Okay, cool. Then just did the same thing, and one more thing, then I added these I don't know what, the transitions. They're called transitions. Man, thinking too much. They're called transitions, and I used one from GOM because I really like those ones. So that one is usually found in GOM sample packs, and I just added on some effects. I'm gonna be doing another video where I show you the effects that I used on this beat, like this thing that you're seeing right here. And I also added another one from GOM, this baby right here, just to make it interesting. Then I added obviously the Amapiano thing to stamp that this song is Amapiano. We all know that it's kind of overplayed, but I hate it anyways. I think I just forgot one more thing, this baby right here. So I added this one so that my track would sound, it was lacking a little bit of the mids in some points, so I added another purity underbell and peg, and I used the digibell one, and here's how it sounds. So I just found a quick simple pattern, did this, come on. Just like that. Then I only put it like here and there and there and there and so on. I think I should do a separate tutorial on how to arrange. If you guys want me to do a video about that, just let me know down in the comment section. But basically that's how the beat was made. And let me play it for you. I don't know what time, how long this video is gonna be, but let me just play for you this part. This is the part that I love the most. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing some more videos like this.